Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best drag and drop WordPress page builders for beginners. Whether you're just starting out with WordPress or looking to improve your web design skills, these tools will make it super easy to create stunning websites without any coding knowledge. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. First up, we have Elementor, one of the most popular WordPress page builders available today. Elementor is a powerhouse for beginners, offering a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. With a wide variety of pre-designed templates, you can quickly create beautiful pages for your website. Plus, it works in real time, so you can see changes immediately as you make them. Elementor also comes with a free version, but the Pro version gives you more customization options and additional widgets. Next on the list is Beaver Builder. If you're looking for something that's easy to use and lightweight, Beaver Builder is a great choice. It has an intuitive drag-and-drop interface and is known for its speed and performance. With Beaver Builder, you can create responsive pages that look great on any device, and the best part, it works seamlessly with most WordPress themes. The free version offers a lot, but the premium version unlocks more features, including advanced modules and templates. Third on our list is Divi Builder, which is another powerhouse for page building. Divi is extremely popular for its flexibility and customization options. It's ideal for beginners who want to build unique layouts without much effort. Divi offers a visual editor that makes it easy to adjust content, and its vast library of layouts and modules makes the design process quick and efficient. Divi comes as part of the Elegant Themes membership, so it also gives you access to other premium themes. Coming in at number 4 is WooBakery Page Builder, which was formerly known as Visual Composer. WooBakery is one of the most established page builders on the market. It offers both front-end and back-end editors, making it perfect for those who want to design their pages in a way that suits their workflow. WooBakery includes tons of content elements and it integrates seamlessly with most themes, so you can easily create a unique website. It's perfect for those who want a versatile and beginner-friendly builder. Last but definitely not least, we have SiteOrigin Page Builder. This one's a great option if you're working on a tight budget but still want a powerful page builder. SiteOrigin offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor with a variety of useful widgets. It's simple to use, yet flexible enough to build responsive pages. The best part? It's completely free, which is perfect for anyone just starting out without spending too much on premium tools.